Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about dashboard settings in WordPress. The dashboard settings include journal, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks and privacy settings. The general settings include site title. It displays the name of the site in the template header tagline. Displays a short sentence about your site. WordPress address. It is the URL of WordPress directory where your all core application files are present. Site address. It is the URL which you want your site to display on the browser. Email address, which helps to recover your password or any update. Membership. Anyone can register an account on your site after you check this box. New user default role is set for new users. Time zone sets the time zone based on the particular city. Date and time format sets the format you need to display on the site. Week starts on. Select the weekday which you prefer to start for WordPress calendar. By default it is set as Monday. Site language sets the language for the WordPress dashboard. The writing settings control the writing experience and provides options for customizing WordPress site. These settings control the features in adding and editing posts, pages and post types, as well as the optional functions like remote publishing, post via email and update services. Default post category. It is a category to be applied to a post and you can leave it as uncategorized. Default post format. It is used by themes to select post format to be applied to a post or create different styles for different types of posts. Post via email. This option uses email address to create posts and publishes posts on your blog through email. Mail server. It allows reading the emails that you send to WordPress and stores them for retrieval. Login name. To create posts, WordPress will need its own email account. The login name will use this email address and should be kept as a secret, as spammers will post links redirecting to their own websites. Password. Set password for the above email address. Default mail category. It allows selecting custom category for all the posts that are published via post by email feature. Update services. When you publish a new post, WordPress will automatically notify the site update services in the box. Reading setting is used to set the content related to the front page. You can set the number of posts to be displayed on the main page. Front page displays. This section is used to display the front page in any of the following format. Your latest post. It displays latest post on the front page. A static page. It displays the static page on the front page. Post page. You can select the page from blog pages show at most. The number of posts to be displayed per page or site. By default it is set as 10. Syndication feeds show the most recent. The user can view the number of posts when they download one of the site feeds. By default it is set as 10. For each article in a feed show, this section is used to display the post by selecting any of the following formats. Full text. It displays the complete post. It is set as default. Summary or excerpts. It displays the summary of the post. Search engine visibility. After clicking on the checkbox, discourage search engines from indexing the site. Your site will be ignored by search engines. WordPress discussion settings can be defined as the interaction between the blogger and the visitors. These settings are done by the admin to have a control over the post pages that come in through the users. Default article settings. These settings are default to the new pages you create or new posts. Attempt to notify any blogs linked to from the article. When you publish articles, then it sends a notification to other blogs. Allow link notifications from other blogs, accept pings from other blogs. Allow people to post comments. You can allow or disallow other people to comment on your article using this setting. Media settings. It is used to set the height and width of the images which you are going to use on your website. Thumbnail size, medium size, large size, uploading files. Permalink. Permalink is a permanent link to a particular blog post or category. It allows setting the default permalink structure. These settings are used to add permalinks to your post in WordPress. Common settings. Check any of the radio buttons to choose your permalink structure for your blogs, your website. Thumbnail size, medium size, large size, uploading files. Permalink. Permalink is a permanent link to a particular blog post or category. It allows setting the default permalink structure. These settings are used to add permalinks to your post in WordPress. Common settings. You can use any of these settings depending on your reading, understanding or requirements. And last is the privacy settings for your WordPress website. And that's it. Thank you.